Hello, my name is Mark. Welcome to my home. This is my 2015 Tab Maxxis trailer. It's still in winter storage, but as springtime is coming, I'm starting to take care of some of the little maintenance items that have been bugging me for a while. One of the little things that's been bugging me is wrinkles in the paneling. Our Tab trailers are made out of wood paneling, and from the factory they are bonded with a vinyl coating, kind of a wallpaper. It's not paper though, it's plastic, and they have a significant problem, a little problem, but it's very, very common. Let me see if I can show it to you here. Right along the edge, as we go forward, see the wrinkles? Come right in there. See the wrinkles that have occurred? Right? They're just little things. No big deal. There's no functional problem with it other than it's just a little icky for me to look at. You know, details matter to me. So what I'm going to show you today is a quick way to repair that. Takes no special tools. It's no big deal. All you need is some wax paper, and you need to borrow your wife's iron. So I'm going to set up a tripod and we're going to go at it, and I'll show you how to repair that. Really easy. This is very common in these Tab trailers. Any trailer that's over just a few years old, most all of them have this somewhere around in their trailer. I just happen to have it here on the wall by the corner where my shower is. So let's get you set up on a tripod here and where you can see, and we'll show you how to spend 3 minutes and fix this right up. See you in a bit. Okay, I think I've got you set up. You can see the little wrinkles that are giving me heartburn here. How this occurs, this panel looks like it might be stable, might be stiff, but it's not. Actually, when you go down the road, this whole trailer shakes and shifts, and parts move side to side like this. And in this case, it's vertical, right? So what happens is as this wall shifts up and down from this one, as it leans, it will break the glue that's holding the plastic down. That's what causes this, but it's no big deal. You're going to take your wife's iron and you're going to set it. For my iron, and I know that every iron is different, for my iron it's synthetic. That's the temperature that you want to set this thing to. What I recommend to you that you do is you start at a very cool setting on your iron and you keep creeping it up until it starts to actually warm and reform this plastic. So it's no big deal. We're just going to take this piece of wax paper, and we're going to take the tip of the iron. We start at the bottom, and you're just going to slowly work it up and down. And when you have the temperature right, it will melt that plastic, and you can see, take your fingernail and just run it there, press it down until it cools, and you can see how that starts to straighten that out. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this. Hopefully you can see it. You may have to do this a few times, but it is no big deal. You're just going to run it up and down wherever the wrinkles are, pressing into the corner. And pretty good pressure. Not a lot. You're not going to hurt anything here. Just don't have your iron too hot. You're just going to iron it down. This melts the plastic a little bit. The wax paper protects the surface from any kind of sticking that might happen. And you just keep working it. And pressing down pretty hard. And you can see I am almost perfect. It won't, just got to keep working it. And remember, don't have your iron too hot. If it's not hot enough to roll it down, to melt it, don't go too hot. Just start from the coolest setting of your iron and keep creeping it up until you get to the right temperature. Because I can't tell you that your iron will be the same when it's set to synthetic, will be the same temperature as mine. But look at that. That is a million times better. Okay, guys, that's it. This is just tab trailer wall wrinkle repair. Sometimes it's little things, sometimes it's big things, but this has been bugging me for a while, and it's a real common problem, so I thought I'd make a video. So anyway, take care and drive safe. See you in the next one.